storms all over the place. We know what we're doing. Don't do this at home. Sorry guys, we had to relocate to a more civil area. The wind was just too strong. But we found something cool. As you will see behind me, a man has left his undergarment in the tree. So we're gonna push out towards the ice to see if we can get a little bit of a better view. I don't know if you guys can see it out there, but it seems like the wind has made mountains volcanic. I'm thinking this is the farthest out we could go just because it's a little bit too windy. She's golden! Woo! Alright. Woo! So I think it's an appropriate time to kind of break down some of the logistics of this storm. Now we all know those low pressure systems. This storm is the exact example of one of those low pressure systems. You know, I'm under some high pressure right now. But trust me, I'm really a low pressure kind of guy, and so is this storm. We see that the cumulonimbus circular clouds kind of spiral in the air with those more adjacent adjusting winds. The Coriolis effect really starting to kick in, as we can see. And what you really notice is that when we get this high pressure, low volume system, what was I saying? If we actually kind of really break down the clouds, we can see this huge massive wall of clouds. You may be wondering what is causing all of this. You know what it is? It's those damn windmills over there. Oh, the wind is really pushing from those windmills in a circular pattern, coming towards us in that high pressure, like I was saying, system. And it's really something we have to keep watching for. And we just don't lose hope, okay? Please call someone. And that is the Storm Chased, brought to you by, who's our sponsor? Too windy, a little bit windy. Damn windmills over there. It just got a little bit windy. Wind is really pushing from those wind was just too strong. Instant winds, windy.